may not believe this, Anna, but this simple piece of cotton wicking is the best babysitter you can find for your plant. Plants can be so beautiful around the house that they really are a very important part of better living. They bring in life and color, kind of bring nature right into the house. But they also bring problems along with them. However, fortunately with plant problems, they can be easily solved with just a little common sense and some expert advice. So today we're going to bring you the case histories of 3 typical housewives and their plant problems. Case history number 1, the case of anxious Anna. Anna is affectionate, loving, but she's terribly worried about her plants because she's going away on a 2-week trip and she just can't find a reliable babysitter for her little indoor garden. Well, you may not believe this, Anna, but this simple piece of cotton wicking is the best babysitter you can find for your plant. Now, after you've watered your plant, and be sure not to overwater, you wrap the piece of cotton wicking in the center with aluminum foil to prevent evaporation, and you put the exposed end in a quart of water like this, and insert the other end into the dirt of the plant. And presto, your plants will be watered while you're away. And now let's take a look at case history number 2. It's the case of puzzled Pauline. You see, Pauline's plants seem to grow unevenly, and she just can't figure out why. Well, maybe it's because she forgets to turn her plants like this at regular intervals so that the light will equally hit all sides. Because you see, plants tend to grow toward the light, so if you don't keep turning them, you will have that problem. Now let's go on to our 3rd case history. The case of cautious Carrie. Carrie is conscientious, sincere, but she's very sad because she just doesn't know how to cultivate her potted plants. Well, our experts tell us that you should loosen the soil of the plant as far away from the trunk of it as possible. Use a blunt fork or a dull pencil and cultivate just about an inch or so deep. Do this when the soil around the plant looks hard and crusty. Well, I hope that our staff experts have helped to solve some of your problems.